Hello people, let's build a mini bulldozer and understand the science behind it. Look into the preview before we step into the video. First take two syrup bottle caps and make a hole at the center using a nail or a screw as shown in the image in the screen. Now insert a rubber band through one cap and fix a toothpick at its end to hold it in place as shown in the image on the screen. Pass the toothpick through the loop behind the cap, then attach the second cap by pulling the rubber band through it as shown. Next, take a small piece of candle, make a hole in the center as shown in the image on the screen. Insert the loose end of the rubber band through it. The final alignment looks like the image on the screen. Secure it using another toothpick. Now, twist the stick 5 to 10 times. As you twist, the rubber band stores elastic potential energy, just like a stretch spring. Place it on the rough surface and watch closely. As the rubber band untwists, the stored energy converts into motion, creating rotational force that moves the wheels forward. The friction between the caps and the ground helps it roll instead of slipping. And here's the interesting part. When it hits an obstacle, the rotating stick touches the ground and creates a force in the opposite direction. This helps the bulldozer correct itself and continue moving, almost like it has its own brain. And that's how simple materials demonstrate energy, motion, and self correcting mechanics in action.